To my channel, it's my time to vlog. Time check for right now is 42.
You have to wipe. That's Angel's
Init.
friend.
Ngayon, it's what, 24 degrees today.
Yeah. Sit here. You wanna sit? Sit here in the shade.
Oil change. 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. Binili namin sasakyan back 2014 in October. Almost 12 years. Hi guys, bale matagal kaming hindi nakapag-oil change ng sasakyan dahil umuwi kami ng Philippines last year. Kaya ngayon nagkaroon na ng time at saka paiba-iba kasi yung weather. Malamig, tapos mag-snow, tapos mainit. Kaya ngayon mainit ngayon.
I'll tell you when. There's no lid on that. There's gloves here, new gloves.
Where?
Right there, I put it there.
Oh, there's new.
And rags, box of rags.
Saan lalagay yung oil?
Okay.
Okay.
We did the oil change for the Elantra the day I got it.
Ah,
That's good.
can you raise a bit
Yeah,
like that?
yeah.
Oof. One is too short.
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, here's new ones.
Okay, siyempre yung one per day.
So, nakatipid po kami ng mga $90 para sa oil change ng sasakyan. Kaya, kung pwede naman po magawa sa bahay or kung saan po may available parking lot na pwedeng mag oil change, ganoon na lang din pong gawin nyo. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you po. I got some puto. You want some puto?
Yes. Okay, let's grab some.
Bimili kami ng puto kanina sa Chinese store. Ito po siya.
Wow.
Yummy. Yummy puto.
I'll just try. I'll just get a bite.
Okay.
Right.
There. You can use that.
No
plastic
sugar. See. I'll just put one. Oh, the green one is closer to me. Maybe I'll hold the bag. This. Right.
May like,
Oh yeah, like
yeah.
this.
Yeah. Taking
Dad's favorite.
this one.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. Come again.
3 months.
We won't be here 3 months. We're gonna have a garage, hopefully. Yeah, we're moving out July. And July. Yeah, July 1st.
Okay, bye.
Bye, vlog.